Why is my iPhone storage still full after deleting photos? You might experience this. Your storage is full and after you might have deleted some photo on your iPhone. A lot of iPhone users made mistake on this. Deleting photo on your iPhone does not mean that all the photo has been taken away from your iPhone. Rather, it is on a particular place on your iPhone called recently deleted photo on your iPhone. And every photo that is here or video that is here is going to be here for at least 30 days before it is finally taken away from your iPhone. Now, if you delete photo on your iPhone with the hope of reducing or creating more space on your iPhone, instead of getting more space, then nothing has happened to your iPhone storage. Then what do you need to do and how do you fix this problem? That is why you are here to watch this video to the end. First of all, you have to go to the setting on your iPhone and tap on general. From there, tap on iPhone storage. This gives you clue of how apps on your iPhone occupy storages or space on your iPhone. Now, if you take a look at what I have here, photo take about 7.29 gig on my iPhone. If you tap on this button, then you see how the breakdown of that 7 point something gig has been taken away. The first one is app size about 44.7 megabytes, and the documents and data take about 7.29 gig. Now, you said that recently delete photo and others take about 1.4 gig on my iPhone. Then recently view and others take about 3.35 gig on my iPhone. So if you just deleted photo on your iPhone and you discover that the space on your iPhone is not reduced, then don't panic. Go to the photo icon on your iPhone and tap on it. Scroll up until you get to the collection. Tap on collection, then scroll up again and tap on recently deleted button. Then tap on view. Then it comes out like this. Tap on this settings, select icon, then tap on this three dot, then tap on delete all and tap on delete all. This will help you delete all these photos and media here, thereby reducing or creating more space on your iPhone. Now, if you do that immediately, you come back to the settings again and check the space on your iPhone. You might not get this storage reduced as fast as you think, because your phone needs a little time to reduce. You can see that this has reduced to 5.78 gig. Now, the next thing you have to do is to be sure that your phone is running on the latest version of the iOS. This is very simple because this helps you to fix bugs on your iPhone. Then to do that, tap on settings icon, tap on software update, then wait on this place for a few seconds to see if there's any update on your iPhone. Then tap on it. If you're able to do this and wait a few seconds, then this will fix every bug that might occupy space on your iPhone. So that is all the simple processes on how to free up space on your iPhone, even when you deleted photo on your iPhone. If you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.